was a Terry Lynn sandwich. Uh-oh, here comes Chris McCallum. What's he trying to do? Oh, they're trying to stay away from car 54, Pete Reel from Victoria Harbor. Pete's got a tough little car there. Here he comes.
54 lining him up. Nice! He's locked up that back wheel. Keeps moving though.
Now you see, this is where that tire for Pete Reel starting to make a difference.
Starting to slow him down a little bit.
Oh yeah, but the other two cars get well slowed down quite a little bit too.
I gotta say, that 54 is still looking pretty good though.
It's surprising. Car 23 under the count, that's Chris McCallum. He's got her going, folks. Well, he had it going.
Have you driven a Ford lately?
There goes the tire. You hear that little hiss?
Oh yeah. Have we started a count out on the other one? Yes, we have.
Car number 23 is counted out, so we're down to 333 and 54. Oh, and that was a good hit, right in on the drives. 333 looks like a Cavalier or a Sunbird.
One time.
Once upon a time, possibly. But you see, 333, Chris Trepper from Grand Valley, he's done it before. Except he stalled. Nope, he's got her going.
Oh, he's got her going.
Okay, you notice the brakes above the driver's door, and it's all about the safety. Now this is where that flat tire is coming into play.
That little 333 is putting up one heck of a fight.
Well, the reason he can do it is because he's got all his tires, and car number 54 doesn't. And this is where it's going to get real interesting.
Well, that 54 is going to lose that whole tire in a sec. Oh, just a near miss. .333, Chris Trepper moving at will. Car 54 under count. He has to hit him. And it looks like it could happen right there. Down to our last two cars here, people. Let's make some noise! These guys can hear you. Nice hit there. Yep. Trying to put him into the wall.
Well, that's what you got to do. You got the heavier car, but it's not moving nearly as well.
Yeah, that flat tire is kind of biting them back there, eh? A little more damage.
Little more each time.
There we go. Beautiful hit. Looks like he might have... Oh, no, he's still rolling.
Uh-oh.
He's put that 333 into the wall.
Is that it?
333 started on its count out. And there's your winner!
Car number 54, 333, for those who didn't see it, he waved the hit off. He says, that's it. The car's done, but he's got second place. Car number 50.